Hello and welcome back. This is my week 3 update. End of week 3. We had a good week. Apologize for the late video. Wasn't feeling well this weekend, but rested up and I'm back, ready to go. So what did we do last week? So last week we started out a heavy push on the advanced class on focusing on actually what their solutions are. We've gone through routing. We've gone to setting up pages. We've gone to key ionic components. I think I mentioned last week we did Superbase. This week we went through Firebase, login authentication, account creation, querying, collections. Tomorrow we'll do image uploads. This week we'll do some map stuff. We've already gone over state. I showed them Zustand. I posted 2 sample projects on using using the context API to manage state, and I posted another one on using Redux, using state, and I also posted one on using pull state for state. So we've laid out all the pieces to at least get your basic application set up for user account, authentication, profile page. We've gone through the tabs template. We've gone through the side menu template. We've gone through the detail template. So we've gone through a lot. So now I'm really pushing them to say what's their solution that they're trying to get an MVP out in the next, because we have 2 weeks left. We have 6 hours a week in class, and then 3 hours on Friday for lab. So they got about 2 weeks. Hopefully we'll see something good coming out of it. I'm trying to emphasize to just focus on getting something built and we can build upon it. I'm not spending a lot of time on design right now. Just let's get some features built, because like I said, I got 2 weeks left and I'm gone. So that's the advanced class. The beginners class, we're making good progress there. I mean, with this group, it's more about getting them to communicate more with each other, communicate more with me about questions, and providing them access to resources to help them pick up the other skills that they need. We are focusing on also building out a group here in Freeport to focus on web development and mobile development. So we're trying to identify resources who we believe can kind of carry the baton and keep this thing running. Also, my plan is I think I'm going to reach out to some folks within my community of Ionic developers, web developers, React developers, to just kind of do some hop in on Zoom calls and just talk about the skills, talk about their experience, just to kind of give these guys exposure to a larger community, to let them know that there's an ecosystem of developers out here that want to help, that want to support, that they can become part of, with the goal of them continuing to support other folks here on the island who did not have access to the classes, to create a community of learning and innovation. What else do we got? Next week I am heading over to the other island. I'm heading over to Nassau. Hopefully I'll be able to connect with some folks at the U.S. Embassy over there, since this program was supported by Fulbright and with help from some folks from the embassy to kind of make this happen. Thank you very much again. And then I believe I'll be meeting with some folks from Bahama Technical and Vocational Institute over there also. Hoping to build a long-term relationship, as I said before, with not only people in the community here, but institutions in the community here, so I can continue this work when I get back to DC, but also so that, we can basically have a relationship. My goal is to come back and continue to do work here, and I think that's it for now. So feel free to ping me any questions, comments, thoughts on the work. It's honestly, this has been a good 3 weeks for me. After coming out of COVID, DC, after kind of the physical space of N3 shutting down, kind of being kind of disconnected from community, being down here, working with folks who appreciate the work that I'm doing, who value the work that I'm doing, who want to support the work that I'm doing, who are kind of hungry for more. It was kind of like that jolt that I needed to kind of bring me back to reality, help me understand my purpose more, what I'm doing, and And yeah, that's it. So thanks again for listening. I might do one in the middle of the week when I'm over in Nassau about what's happening in Nassau. So stay tuned for more information. Also, make sure you check out my YouTube channel. I'm posting some of the content from the courses there, and some of the source code's also getting posted in my GitHub repo. I'll talk to you guys later. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye now.